Why does your scanner show the P2025 engine code? What does it mean? P2025 is a diagnostic trouble code for evaporative emissions, EVAP fuel, vapor temperature, sensor circuit range, or performance. This engine code indicates that this means the PCM has detected a voltage reading from the sensor that is outside the manufacturer's specified range. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel vapor temperature sensor, issues with the EVAP system, wiring and connector problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Mercedes-Benz vehicles. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.